What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop. You can see we are not in the shop. We are in a kitchen at Sunrise Church in Greensburg, and that's because we're here with Terrell and Dean and Becca and some other people from the team, as well as lots of people from the community to help feed people. So every year for Thanksgiving, we've been doing this. We cook homemade turkey stuffing, mashed potatoes with the church, and then we deliver it to their door hot and ready to eat. Dean, Becca, and Terrell sort of head that up every year. So check it out. This year we're going to feed 500 people, which is really exciting. So thanks for tuning in.
What's up, guys, and thank you for checking into the LATROBE shop. We have this Audi A4 in here that just got the front bumper protected with paint protection film. And then back here, we got this big old RV, and I got a couple of my minions helping. We have to take all the paint protection film off of this RV. The guy's getting the front painted, so the film has to come off. It's gonna get painted, and we're gonna put film back on it. We got everything pretty much wrapped up here before Thanksgiving. The only thing we have left is a white Chevy Tahoe that got a full Expel Fusion ceramic coating with the wheels off package. I know there's a lot of stuff going on at Gibsonia, so let's check in with Luke and see what's going on out there.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have this 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross. It's got the two front windows tinted in our Expel XR Prime 30% to match the factory tinted back windows. Here we have a 2023 BMW i4. This got our track package paint protection film, along with a full paint correction and Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Here we have a completed stealth wrap. This one a Ram TRX. This got a full body PPF stealth wrap along with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating. We also tinted the two front windows in 20% to match the factory tinted back section. Here we have Ian prepping a 2018 Porsche Cayman GTS. This was in the shop last week for some paint protection film. It's back in the shop today for a full paint correction and ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Here we have a Nissan NV200 from our friends at Hose Express. This one is in for a visor tint along with a full hood and our paint protection film. Next up for full front protection is this 2022 Chevy Tahoe. This is getting the entire hood, the two front fenders, and the front bumper protected. Back on the left, we have a second BMW i4. This one is in for the same thing that the other one got, the track package and the Fusion Plus ceramic coating along with a paint correction. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.